Hi guys, Yat here. So I'm really into tea. Like, really into tea. Drink it every day, made tea paper, even made bowls from tea fibers. So I think why not paint with tea also? Today I'm trying this out, landscape painting with tea and acrylics. 40 leaves, crushed tea leaves, all go in. This is a bit of an experiment and my first time making a video, so yes, still learning. AI voice is helping me out, my English still working on it. Anyway, let's get started, see how this turns out. First I need a good support, something strong, so I'm using this wood board. It is sturdy, won't collapse if I put too much stuff on it. Next, just like with acrylic painting, I am putting on a layer of gesso. This makes the surface ready for the paint. It creates a nice smooth surface, so the paint sticks better and doesn't soak into the wood. It also makes the colors more vibrant, So yeah, gesso is important. Okay, next step, mixing up my blues for the sky. I'm going for a winter landscape, so I want some cold blues, greenish blues. Thinking about the mood, Now time to actually paint. I always want started with the background, the sky, and then work my way to the front. I'm using a photo my sister sent me. She lives in Sweden. It is a beautiful winter landscape of a frozen lake. Ice all over, very pretty. So let's get the sky painted and then finish up the background with the sun, the forest at the horizon and the lake. Here I am touching up the forest with the sun square and the sun's reflection on the frozen lake. It is all about those little details, trying to capture the winter lights. And now the star of the show, the tea leaves themselves. So I thought I would be clever and cover the board with glue first, then add the dragon well green tea. But it is a mistake. It's got a little messy. And the glue, even though it's supposed to dry clear, kind of dull the background and make it look a bit dirty. Okay, let's move on. So, for the trees, I like to have them 3D. So I'm using modeling paste for that purpose. Ideally, I could use those professional piping bags, like what bakers use for decorating cakes. But I don't have any of those, and the plastic bags is what I have got. Plus, I like to be frugal, especially when I'm not sure if I will use something again in the future. Space is the problem in Hong Kong. Not much room to store things, As you see, squeezing out the branches with this plastic wrap contraption is a little bit messy. Requires a bit of patience, but slowly and steadily, it is progressing. Now, for the magic touch, tea dust. I roasted this myself, so it got this rich, dark, almost black color, like charcoal, but with a warm undertone. Sprinkle it on the wet modeling paste gives the branches a fantastic texture. So, like I said at the start, this is totally experimental. I have no clue if it's gonna work or not. Honestly, it may not even stick to the modeling paste. But hey, here we are, the moment of truth. And yeah, it looks like it sticks, at least partially. Not bad. I'll probably need to spray on some kind of varnish if I want to hang it on the wall, just to keep the tea dust from falling off everywhere. To the process of this painting, I keep making the branches by squeezing out the modeling paste with the plastic wrap. Then I sprinkle on the roasted tea dust to add texture. To make the branches stand on more, I mix some color into the modeling paste. This gives the branches a solid feel and acts as a base. So even if some tea dust falls off, there is still a nice woody color underneath. I keep repeating these steps, layer after layer, until it looks just right. Oh, I almost forgot the snow on the branches. Adding 3D snow made the modeling paste really enhance the feeling of winter and bring the whole scene to life. The idea was actually my wife's. She always has the best suggestions. So, there you have it. My first attempt at our tea leaf landscape. Not perfect, but a fun experiment. Let me know what you think in the comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And that is it from me. Stick around to see the rest of the video and the final results.
Hey, Yacht, have you seen my dragon well tea?
Nope, haven't seen it.